call me, he said he to Paul, thrall me in the wall be, where Fosboggery be, the jobelins of many jonitors within their journaling, turn a fernal within the phibius of what that means to me, and it's the memorist or match of mirrorist when the train table is probably more choo-choo in towns of displains of surveying gold and what be Gangle Gully when probably the Fernabully be keeping the house warmly or earthly where the dirt be gardeny, or if it's Gertrude to be grun to be the coracle, then probably the formal florable is just what's planta or deplorable, and poor of its boron of how that your Iranian watch is more Iranian talk than what be how it's accidentally non-threatening and crayons of Cora undersea, like what a Eula to July to Jubilee be, 4th of Independence, TV news dependence on a pendant, but it just depends on the pendulum when you resend it or make that cinnamon restaurante more into a factor of ingredient that had more flavors than just the stinginess of a Ray, Steve, urchin, or if it's the chunk of the part of the church hymn of writ and riff, then what radio station can make the KISS be a name, not a band of moniker or comets on matronometer? If it's the denominator, then what number has flavorless symbolization for that station staticness where the transmission was phenomenal, or if it's blamba, blamba, blimba, blambible, then what bumblebee be coming out in the spring, like somehow featured on a channel clip of the same time teller of the Pandal labral disc of Pinky and the Banter brain, and Flanders got the more simple saying than what is dimples in the changes of how a theme brings its search on, or what could be going on and on to float a colloquial odium instead of idiom, like meal with powdered wigs and bakers of same crocor that the cheeses make the Cheetos when the door just wants more floor for its bro to be its hold of Rabone, where same as like a bird.